Right. Welcome to Carluccio's Kitchen. My name is Chef Ross, and what I'm going to cook here is steak, spinach, and potatoes. That is it. Very simple. Already started cooking. Garlic, a bit of butter, and the rest.
Did you put butter, no olive oil?
Yeah, butter. And a well cooked steak.
What does it mean, Rosario? What does it mean? Beef medium well.
Beef medium well means that it's cooked at the top well, but
Steak away. Steak away.
it's taken away. All right. That's gonna be a nice plate.
I know, but it's steak away.
Who's gonna be it?
Me. Who? Who else?
Taken away.
Yes, but it's not for me.
Oh, okay.
It's on my account.
No problem. Okay, I was. Yeah, so we're talking about medium cook the top, cook the bottom, and a bit pink in the middle.
Cooking with Uncle Ross.
Cooking with Uncle Ross. Very nice. Yeah.
Can I go for bacon? Yeah.
Okay.
This is steak. This is touch the bottom. If it's nicely and firm, you mean that it's cooked well. No juices should come out of it. Bit of olive. Perfecto. Now, potatoes. These are not just ordinary potatoes. These are called Rosario rosemary potatoes. Here you go.
Yeah, man.
In there, jump down, Bob's your uncle. Lovely. This is the finish.
Brilliant.
Bravo, Rosario. Bravo. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now put a new